The Maxi Pro TV streamer from Bellman Symfon is a Bluetooth audio streamer that works wirelessly to the Maxi Pro amplifier so you can hear the television at a volume that suits you without affecting the others in the room. It can also be connected directly to Bluetooth hearing aids. The Maxi Pro TV streamer can connect with the majority of modern televisions via its multiple ports. More on that later. Let's look in the box. Here are instruction manuals in multiple languages. The TV streamer, a power cord, a fiber optic cable, a mini stereo cable and RCA adapter, and a cable holder. To get started, plug the power cord into an adapter and then into an outlet. Then plug the other end into the TV streamer's power port. Once it is plugged in, the TV streamer is automatically turned on and the power LED is lit up in green. If the TV streamer is from Maxi Pro TV listening system, the TV streamer is already paired to the Maxi Pro amplifier, so you don't need to do the pairing. If you buy the TV streamer in a separate package, please refer to the following pairing instructions. To pair the TV streamer to the amplifier, press and hold the Bluetooth button on the TV streamer until the blue LED light starts to blink. While the Maxi Pro amplifier is on, press the microphone button once. Then press and hold the Bluetooth button until the blue LED light starts to blink. After a few seconds, both Bluetooth LEDs will light up a steady blue light to show that the pairing is successful. To pair the TV streamer to your Bluetooth hearing aid, press and hold the Bluetooth button on the TV streamer until the blue LED starts to blink. Then turn on the pairing mode of your Bluetooth hearing aid by following your hearing aid's Bluetooth pairing instructions. When they are successfully paired, the Bluetooth LED on the TV streamer will have a steady blue light. Please note, the TV streamer can pair up to 2 Bluetooth devices. For example, one Maxi Pro amplifier and one Bluetooth hearing aid, or 2 Bluetooth hearing aids. Now we need to connect the TV streamer to the television. There are 3 different ways to connect the TV streamer to your television. First is our recommended connection with the fiber optic cable. Make sure you take off the clear covers on the ends of the cable before connecting. Plug one end into the TV streamer's optical port, and plug the other end into the television's optical port. If your television doesn't have optical, then check if it has audio out or component out. If it does, you need to use the RCA adapter. Connect the mini stereo cable to the audio port in the back of the streamer. Plug the other end of the mini stereo cable to the RCA adapter. Then plug the red and white ends to the audio out in the back of your television. If your television doesn't have audio out, then check if it has a headphone port. If it does, then take the mini stereo cable and plug it into the back of the TV streamer and plug the other end into the television's headphone port. Please note, this option will block the sound from the speaker, which only you with the amplifier can hear the TV. While optical port connection and RCA port connection will allow you to hear the TV from the amplifier while others still hear from the TV speaker. Once the TV streamer is connected to the TV, press the Bluetooth button on the amplifier. Now you can listen to the audio from the TV. The Maxi Pro TV streamer uses Bluetooth aptX low latency technology, so audio synchronization is optimal with the program you are watching. If the power LED has a steady green light, that indicates the TV streamer is connected to the power supply and automatically turned on. If the Bluetooth LED is blinking blue, that indicates the TV streamer is waiting to pair to a Bluetooth device. If the Bluetooth LED is steady blue, that indicates the TV streamer has been connected to a Bluetooth device. On the back of the TV streamer, there is a USB charging port. This can be used to charge the Maxi Pro amplifier or another device with a USB charging cable. And that is the Maxi Pro TV streamer.